You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Although the first trading day of this week was not marked by a significant increase in key U.S. stock indexes, the overall mood remains bullish. After the S&P 500 index broke through the technical resistance level at 5,000, demand remains moderate. There were also no sales on the oil market, while Bitcoin was testing the psychological mark of $50,000 for strength. Investors are optimistic, betting on a slowdown in inflation in the United States. This scenario assumes an increase in the probability of a reduction in the Fed's key interest rate, which is a bullish fundamental factor for risky assets. It's no secret that the return of the annual value of the consumer price index below 3% can support the stock market, commodity assets, and even cryptocurrencies. But what happens in the event of an unexpected increase in inflation? Although this scenario remains unlikely, it may have a much stronger impact than a decrease in the consumer price index. Given the general optimism, as a result of which the S&P 500 index rose above 5,000 and Bitcoin above 50,000, an increase in inflation can provoke a strong wave of sales. Indeed, in this case, the question of reducing the rate will completely disappear, which will be replaced by the threat of another increase, which Citigroup analysts say. And now let's talk about the oil market, which does not look bullish. Despite the fact that the situation in the Middle East is not improving, in addition, information has appeared about another attack on a ship in the Red Sea. The cost of the American grade of WTI oil has increased slightly. Also, the decrease in oil production in Iraq could not push the quotes to the maximum in January. All this indicates the caution of buyers, which in turn is clearly a bearish signal. After all, a number of bullish fundamental factors could only keep the quotes from declining, but not push them noticeably higher. Unlike oil, Bitcoin was able to continue to grow, breaking the $50,000 mark for the first time since December 2021. Ethereum followed the largest cryptocurrency, rising above $2,600. The demand for this coin is caused not only by the general interest in the market, but also by the prospect of an exchange-traded investment fund in the United States that allows investing in Ethereum. The higher the probability of this ETF, the greater the demand for Ether among investment funds. As a result, the growth potential of the second-largest cryptocurrency is still higher than that of Bitcoin. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.